I'm okay, kinda being awkward socially, with the fact that the girls don't lose their shit when they look at me. It's okay that I'm not that good at anything, and I don't hit the notes perfectly when I try to sing. Oh, I know I am not alone, so turn the music up and let go. Here's to the rest of us, to all the ones that never felt they were good enough. I wanna hear it for the taste and confused, the freaks and the losers. Let's put it up. Here's to the rest of us, the rest of us. I'm okay, I don't need to be a billionaire so freaking bad, and my trust fund hopes are looking